Konnichiwa, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasba, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, sincha, yobosio tere, salam alaikum, saskaka, marhaban, merhaba, welcome everyone, every nationality across the world. Welcome, my name is Brunel. It has been a long while since I've done a hair video. This is a synthetic wig. This is, as per the title, is I need to eat something, I think. This is the Bobbi Boss Lace front wig with Swiss lace. It is in a style Harlow and it is the color HL613-627. And it comes in lots of different colors, so you can have a look and pick your own shade. And it is a handmade deep parting 5-inch part on the side here. It is also a left hand parting rather than right hand or middle as you it's normal. It is safe styling, heat safe, but it doesn't say from how what the temperature is, unfortunately. And also what else? Yeah, I don't think there's much else. So it really is one of those the way the lace kind of blends in. It hasn't got baby hairs, but it's sort of a slightly receding kind of hairline. Try and make it look a bit more realistic, although I think you could do it with a bit more plucking. Unfortunately, once you've cut the lace at the front, which for me felt a little bit tough and made me worry a little bit that later on it will start folding and then you won't be able to get a smooth flat line, but I could be wrong. But once you cut that lace off, then there's only a tiny little bit of room. Sorry. I yawn. I can't help it. Unfortunately, I've got a condition. Once I get tired, I start yawning a lot. So I'm gonna hurry up. Sorry. Yeah. So once you cut the lace, there isn't too much room there. So I could do with a lot more plucking. I could also do with the parting being a little bit wider, but it was still very easy to install. All I did was use my contour powder underneath the little bit of the lace that was exposed. And then on the parting, I used my L'Oreal True Match foundation powder in and that's the color 10W, and that's that. And yeah, and I think that's all I needed to do, really. I am not too sure about this color at all, to be honest, but I picked it, so I can't blame anyone else. But I just thought I'd try something different because I'm always going for the same kind of shade, so I decided to try it. But I don't necessarily know if this suits me. I don't think so. But it is very different. I would have preferred it, and I would have been a lot happier if the roots were more kind of 1B or darker, but they're not. It is what it is. But this is a side view. And the other side, and then this is the back. And I like the length. I prefer lengths which are kind of shoulder length or pushing it 16-inch. So it's fine, but it does feel somewhat wiggy. I can't explain it any other way except it really, even though it's a synthetic wig, and we all know it's a wig, it does feel rather really wiggy. So I'm really not sure about this one. Maybe this one of those where it will grow on me, I don't know. I can make it obviously calm down a little bit and flatten a little bit if you just wrap it up, but for now I just won't bother doing that because I'm actually going to take it off after the video. But if you have any questions and I haven't actually put any information there, please let me know and I will answer it as quickly as I can. The link is to the wig will be in the description bar. I did buy mine from wigget.co.uk as usual, but it is really kind of easy actually. Yeah, a few baby hairs here and there, and that's it. What I do like about this before I go, because I don't want to sound all negative, is that I do like the lace, and I like the fact that the lace blended into my skin. I think it actually looks really good. But let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate it, and I will speak to you very soon.